Alright guys, time to get the holiday buggy out for a quick test rip. Alright guys, let's try this again. My video footage of the first try of this didn't come out, so we'll take it out for another spin. This is our, in case the intro didn't make it either, we're running our holiday buggy. We just put it back to it's pretty much stock. Got the friction shocks, it's brushed, running with the Futaba MS or MC230, something like that. It's an after dinner rip. It was a before dinner rip, but now it's an after dinner rip. she's a runner, man. She's a runner. Now, what I was saying in my other video that didn't come out, but this is my first Tamiya. The very first one I got built. Between this and the Dt02. So I got this first. And it's quickly become my favorite car. My track car is actually a Dt02, same chassis. I took all the good parts off of this. You might have seen it in the CW01 creations. The carpet's wet. It just got done raining. But like I was saying, the CW01's creations. Speedrun challenge, I took the better parts off of this, shocks and whatnot. And we made a nice little monster. Great on the track. There's some videos of it. Lauren and I did head-to-heads and all that, but this guy, easy to build. If you're ready to runner and you want to get into these kind of kit builds and you don't really want to spend a lot of money, it's about $1.15, $1.20 for one of these. High side $1.50 if you get the newer ones. I think they come with CVAs now instead of these friction ones. This is these are the blue friction shocks. There's a lot more juice than what I'm showing you right here. Just got no traction, so I gotta take it easy. Oh, that was a good jump. Whoa. Anyways, she's a ripper. Really do enjoy this car. And it really could. So I'll see you when I see you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Got to get the headless guy with a head soon. But yep, that's holiday buggy. Beauty. Beauty. Oh, real quick before I go, show you where we're at with the stack. Haven't done one of those in a while. So. Whoop. Right. Before the battery dies, I'll show you guys. So we started doing up there now. Putting that down there.